Hi everyone, today we are going to review the Huion Sketch Drawing app and see if it's a worthy opponent for the Procreate. Welcome to Art Unlimited. I am Varshita. So this is the layout for the Huion Sketch app. So in the top right corner we have all the options. So let's check out the brushes. So these are the basic brushes. They are quite neat. They have all the brushes in order like the pencil, watercolor, pastel, air brushes and oil painting, grid and calligraphy brushes. So the options are limited. You don't have many brushes here. I would have preferred more brushes in this app like in Ibis Paint X. So let's draw with the calligraphy brush. So the calligraphy brush is quite neat. I really like how it's writing. So we have the clear option, so you can clear it without doing all the undos and all. So this is the place where you can change the colors. Another great feature of this app is that it comes with an animation feature, so you can create animations in this app, which is the one I really like about this app. So this is a pre-made animation which I was playing. So let's start drawing something here. So I am going to draw something and see how it goes. This is the layers section where you can do, and you have a clipping mask as well. You can change the opacity as well. So I am going to try to draw something in this app and let's see how it goes. On the top you have the plus tool where you can import a picture or a shape, and you even have the fill bucket tool or the lasso tool. You even have the smudge tool in this, and it has all the features needed for a good drawing app, which is what I really like. But it doesn't have many brushes, and I would have preferred if they had more brushes in this app. And on this side you have the option where you can change the size of the brush and also the opacity of the brush. In this app you can even save your drawing as a GIF or a PNG or a JPEG. This is also what I really like about this app. So here I am drawing a girl. I finished the outlining and I think I could color it. And the disadvantage of having this app is that you cannot change the layers position from top to bottom or change it in between. So another disadvantage of having this app is that when you want to record what you're drawing for a time-lapse video or anything, it lags. And the app does not have a video feature. It does not record your drawing. Another problem I had with this app is that you cannot save the colors somewhere so that you can use it next time, because I prefer using some colors in all my drawings. So we are almost done with our drawing, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want more such videos on my channel, and comment down below with your valuable feedback on this video, and suggest down if you want me to do any more free drawing app reviews. This is what I have felt about this app. So you can always download this app on Google Play Store on any Android device. Let me know in the comments what you feel about this app. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.